Hello, Unaguru, can you hear me? Oh, my microphone. Can you hear me? Hello? Oh, it's too bright. Hi, can you hear me? Hello? I audible. Oh, yes. Ma'am, ano yung meeting ID? This one. Why? Are you going to log in again? Wait, let me give you the meeting ID then. Invite invitation. This one? Why? Can you turn on your camera and your microphone? And there you go. I can see you now. Okay, all good? Why are you asking for meeting ID? Are you trying to change your device?
Yes.
Oh, my cousin played the Call of Duty a while ago. Mhm. Maybe you can simply it's my cousin. Anyway, so let's continue doing here. We yesterday we reviewed about the conversion of the meter of the cubic meter and the cubic centimeter, and we also learned about that the 1 centimeter cube is also equals to how many ml? Oh, you're busy. Are you doing your homework? Are you doing your homework? Now I can't hear you. Hi, I am asking you if you're doing your homework. Oh, can you tell me what are you doing on your screen first? On your, ano? What is that? Ah, you're trying to change it to, yeah, you should tell me that. Okay, then you can change it now. Meeting ID and the password. And you should tell me that you're trying to change the device. Go. Let me stop sharing first and so I could guide you.
Yes.
You're trying to oh, okay, admit. See it now.
This meeting is being recorded. Tig ko lang yung anak ko.
Are you going to use two devices? You can leave to the other devices though. Yeah. And you cannot turn on your camera so I could see your beautiful face. Okay, there you go. Okay, yeah. Are you using your laptop? Is that your new laptop?
It's my mom's laptop. She gave it to me.
They gave it to you. What is your laptop? Is it a MacBook or a what do you call that? Huawei, Asus? What's the brand of your laptop?
What? Wait.
Huawei?
Dell.
Oh, Dell. That's a very good one. It's a really good one. Anyway, so yesterday, just like what I said a while ago, I'm a little bit lagging, I think. Okay, there you go. So last time yesterday we learned about the uh converting units, right? And we also learned again, let's have a quick review first, that 1 centimeter cube is equals to how many ml again? Wait, let me see it. Ah, just a smiley face. I thought you 1 ml. Very good. And in 1 liters, how many ml is that again? 1 thou.
1,000 milliliter.
Yes. So therefore, in 1 liter, how many cubic centimeter is that then? Look at the first one. You said that centimeter cube is equals to milliliters. 1 centimeter cube is equals to 1 ml. So if you have 1,000 milliliters for 1 liter, so how many centimeter cube is for the cubic centimeter? How many?
Mm,
Remember, your clue here is that they are the same. Centimeter cube is equals to milliliters. So 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. Therefore, the 1 liter is also equals to how many cubic centimeter? How many cubic centimeter? Ah, another biscuit. So how many cubic centimeter again? You must tell me. This is easy. You can answer it right away. Again, 1 centimeter cube, they are equals to 1 milliliter. So therefore, if you have 2 centimeter cube, that is also 2 milliliters. Now, if 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliter or ml, how many centimeter cube is in the 1 liter?
Ha?
You have the clue there.
Ano ba yung kay Romsky?
And the answer is
Ano? Ito, hindi kasi si Mary Rose ang nag-ano. Cancelled na lang daw.
alert, alert, alert.
Sige, sige.
So how many liters, my dear? Can you tell me? Again, 1 liter is equals to 1,000 milliliters. It's 1,000, 1 liter, 1,000 milliliters. So therefore, if you have 1 liter here, how many cubic centimeter? I already give you the hint. I already gave you a hint. Okay, that is also 1,000 milliliters. That's correct, my dear. Good job. Therefore, it's 1,000 centimeter cube. Now, in 1 meter, how many centimeters that is that again? Oh, 1 meter only, not meter cube, okay? Oh, no, you're trying to trick me. Only the 1 centimeter cubes equals to 1 ml. This is ml. This is meter only. 1 meter is equals to 1 on. Forgot it
Ano?
already. You even search it on the Google, right? Do you remember you search it? You even search it on the Google? You even search it on the Google part. So, what is the answer then?
Mm,
1 meter is equals to how many centimeter? I'm gonna give you a hint. It's 3-digit number.
100.
100. There you go. So, if you have 1 meters cube, how many centimeter cube is that? So, you multiply it 3 times already by itself. So, if you have 1 meter cube, so how many centimeter cube is that?
1,000,000.
So 1 million, and that's correct. That's a lot, right? Okay, let's try to answer some of the questions here because we didn't answer it before. Because we learned yesterday first the different units. I mean, conversion of units. Now let's have the number one. Please read it for me. Oh, sorry, you're eating. You finish first. Okay. You ready?
How many cubic centimeters are there in 2 meters cube?
Oh, it's 2 meters cube. Oh, you just answered it a while ago. The 1 meter cube is equals to 1 million centimeter cube. So how many cubic centimeter?
Kiwi.
Ah, it's a 2 million. Ah,
Kiwi.
that's correct, my dear. That's 2 million centimeter cube. What about the Cole will answer and read the problem. I miss the Cole's voice, by the way. Where is Cole?
Nasa ka sa kulungan. Tarantado ka eh.
Where is Cole? Cole, 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 Cole. Cole, Cole, Cole. Okay, can you read it, Cole? If you get, oh, can you read it, please? Can you read it, please? Oh, I cannot hear you reading it. If you get, oh, you read it na, my dear.
If you get the equivalent of
45
45 meter square, square,
cube
45 meter cube
to
to
centimeter
centimeter
cube.
cube, what will be
What?
the answer? What would the answer be?
Yeah, what would be the answer be? So, what would be the answer be? Uh, I think the answer would be what? But I cannot see you anymore. You're hiding yourself, my dear. You're, oh, that's half. Why did you have, can you make it full, please? Yeah, hey, so I can see your beautiful face now. So what we should do? How many centimeter cube is that? I think you know already the answer. This is easy peasy now. If you get equivalent to 45 meter cube or cubic meters to cubic centimeters, what would the answer then? I think this will be easy peasy for you. And the answer, my dear, is it 45? Well, how are you gonna read that one? Can you read it also? 45? Oh, you have a lot of zeros there. Can you read it? How are you gonna read that?
4,500,000.
Oh, no! You get the high score last time, and you just gonna read it like 405 million thousand? No, my dear. It's not 400
40,
million. What?
45 million.
Yes, 45 million. Not 45. What did you say a while ago? 45,000 million?
4,500,000.
No, my dear. Anyway, let's try to have this one. Okay. Number three then. 35 million centimeter cube is equals to how many meters cube? Mm. Are you going to solve it? You can just you can just tell me your answer right away. Hello? What is the answer? 35 million cubic centimeter. How many meter cube is that? I'm gonna draw a small body for that one. Oh, where is it? Now. Okay. That's a cute one. So can you tell me please now your answer, please?
If we convert 73. Wait, no.
35. No, we're on the number three. 35 million centimeter cube. How many meter cube is that? 35. Very good. What about number four? Can you read it, please? If we,
If we convert 7,300 million.
okay, again. Again, 7 million.
7,000,000.
Okay, can you read it properly, please? 7 million.
7,000,000.
Yes.
300,000.
100. You read it properly. I want to read it properly from you. Can you read the number four, please?
If we convert 7,300,000
Mm-hmm.
centimeter cube to meter cube,
Meters cube.
the answer is 73 meter cube.
Is it correct? Is it true? False? Maybe or undis. Of course, don't answer when you have this kind of question in the exam. Don't answer maybe and don't even answer undecided. It's either true or false or yes or no. Okay? So is it true or false? True or false? Is it true or false? I need your answer. Where is your answer? But I cannot see your answer. It's true. How do you know it's true? But it is 7 million. It's 7,300,000. Can you read it one more time? How are you gonna read this number again? Can you read it loud, please? 7.
7,300,000.
Okay, it's 7,300,000. It's 7,300,000, my dear, and not 73 million. So, is it true or false? Is it a true or a false? False. Okay, what should be the right answer for this one?
I don't know.
Ah, you divided by 1 million then. So, 7,300,000 divided by 1 million. So, just cancel the zeros, remember? the common zeros that they have. So we have 3 zeros here in common, 3 zeros here, and you have two more and two more. So what is 73 divided by 10? What is 73 divided by 10?
7.3.
7.3. That's correct. What about for number 5 then? Can you read the number 5 for me? What is... Oh, I read it.
What
Mhm. Can you read it?
what is 25 centimeter cube equal to um in meter cube?
In meter cube. Yes. So what is the answer? So you will divide. Remember the technique when you're dividing by with zeros? You will just move the decimal point. Like for example here, it's 10. Just move the decimal point once. Only 1 0, so you're gonna move one time. So that's why your answer here is 7.3 because you divide it. So for this one, how many zeros you gonna? What would be the answer for this one? Letter A, B, C, or D?
Ninjago.
Ah, not Ninjago. Can you answer first? Yeah, I can answer first. But I need you to answer it now, my dear, because we're running out of time. And if you want to take a break, then we need to do it now, right? Come on. Let's go, my dear. Let's do this. So, what is the answer for number 5? For number 5, it is
Mm, wait.
number 5. You can write. How many times you gonna move the decimal point? So there's a decimal point here at the end of the 5. It's letter A. Letter C. So it's 25. Move the decimal point 6 times because 1 million has 6 zeros. So we will move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then decimal point. And then put the zero on the empty space here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is correct. Good job. Now, I think it's easy to answer now for this one. So remember, 1 liter you said is equal to how many cubic centimeter? How
1,000.
many? 1,000. Because 1 liter is also equals to 1,000 ml. Very good. So, if you want to know how many liters is this one, what we're gonna do? Are we going to divide it by 1,000 or are we going to multiply it by 1,000? Are we going to
Multiply.
multiply? But the question is how many liters? That means how many thousands are there in that 50? So we would know the liters. Remember, 1 liter is equals to 1,000 centimeter cube. So are we going to divide it or times it? We will. My dear, focus first and we will take a break after a few minutes if you answer this one. We will divide it or times it. Are we going to divide it or times it? Hi, I'm asking you. Are we going to divide it or times it?
Divide.
Divide it by how many? You na, answer it first. Divide it by Look on your conversion here. Is what did you say? You said it's 1 liter equals 1,000 centimeter cubes. So therefore, you will divide it by
1,000.
1,000. Then you're gonna move. You can do the technique by moving the decimal point 3 times. What is the answer then? By doing that technique. Come on, so we can take a break first. Then I'm gonna call you after a few minutes again. So you which here is the answer. So you're gonna move this one 3 times, 1 and 2 and 3. So which one is the right answer here?
Wait,
Letter? Ayaw mo po ba mag-take ng break? We will not take a break anymore.
I can't see the number 6.
Oh, you can see the number 6? Okay. What about that? Can you see it now? Alright, so what is the answer then?
C.
C, 0.05 liters. Alright, so let's take a quick break first, then I'll gonna call you again after a few minutes, okay? You can go to the CR or get a water, then I'll call you again. Yummy, yummy biscuit. Alright, you don't forget to drink your water. Bye bye. See you after a few minutes.